Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook Exercise 4.6, question number 11, multiple choices. If the function f of x equals sine inverse x square minus 3, then x belongs to. Here, we know that for sine inverse function, the range is minus 1 is x squared minus 3 lesser or equal 1. Therefore, here x square lesser or equal minus 3 on this side is minus plus 3 minus 2 is 2. This side is 1 plus 3 is 4. That is minus 3. That means minus 3 go this side is 1 plus 3 minus 3 go this side is 3 minus 1. So after that, 2 is lesser x square and x square is lesser or equal 4, which gives the solution of minus 2, because square root of 4 is minus 2 and plus 2, and here minus 2 minus root 2 union root 2 and 2, option 3. Next, cot inverse 2 and cot inverse 3 are two angles of a triangle, then the third angle is here. Question number 12. We know that cot inverse 2 is given. Suppose we can say therefore instead of cot inverse we can write tan inverse half. Then another angle is tan inverse 1 by 3, because tan inverse cot inverse 3 is given. So let us find the sum of these angles, that is tan inverse half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus half into 1 by 3, which is equal tan inverse 6 is LCM, so 5 by 6 addition over here 6 minus 5 over 6, that is here also 5 over 6, so which gives tan inverse 1 pi by 4. Here in any triangle sum of three angles is pi. Here sum of two angles is given as pi by 4, therefore third angle is pi minus pi by 4 equal 3 pi by 4, the option 12. Next is sine inverse tan pi by 4 minus sine inverse root of 3 over x equal to pi by 6, then x is the root of the equation. Here 13 question number 13 is given sine inverse pi by 4 tan inverse tan of pi by 4 minus sine inverse root 3, that is over x, root of 3 over x, which is equal pi over 6. Here we know that tan pi by 4 is 1, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus, for this here the equations are given as x, these four options are there, x square minus x minus 6, here x square minus x minus 12, like it's given here. Now suppose this equation 2 we are getting x square minus x minus 12. Factors are x minus 4, x plus 3 equal 0. Here x equal to 4 and minus 3. Suppose x equal to 4, if you put x equal to 4 here, the root of 3 minus 4 is root 3 by 2. Suppose if you get other options, that is solution of other equations, it won't fit for here because the negatives are all not fitting. We can say here sine inverse of 3 over 4, one of the root, equal pi by 6. Now pi by 2 minus sine inverse root 3 by 2 equal pi by 6. Now further pi by 6 minus sine inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 is pi by, here pi by 2. Now which gives 6 is an LCM, 3 pi minus 2 pi, which is equal pi by 6 already given here. So it satisfies, that is x equal to 4 satisfy, that gives the roots of the equation here, option 2. Question number 14. Sine inverse 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos inverse 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Here 14, sine inverse sine inverse 2 cos square minus 1 plus cos inverse 1 minus 2 sine squared x, 1 minus 2. Here further sine inverse 2 cos square x minus 1 is cos 2 theta. We know that it is cos 2x plus cos inverse, here also 1 minus 2 sine square x is cos 2x. Here sine inverse cos 2x is, suppose sine inverse cos 2x we can write as sine of pi by 2 minus 2x, which means here pi by 2 minus 2x is the first quadrant, so cos of 2x is a cofunction of sine of pi by 2 minus 2x. So then plus cos inverse of cos 2x is 2x. Now here sine inverse of sine 2x is equal, here also 2x. Before that, here we can write this as it is. We can write first, this is cos inverse of cos 2x. Here sine inverse of now as it is, you cannot necessary to split like, because we need in terms of cos here, we can write this cos 2x we know that sine inverse 2x plus cos inverse 2x is pi by 2. So which option is 14? That is 14 option is 1. Now question number 15. Cot inverse root sine alpha plus tan inverse root sine alpha equal to y, then cos 2u. So 15th, cot inverse root of sine alpha plus tan inverse root of sine alpha equal root of sine alpha equal to u. Now we have cot inverse sine alpha is equal tan inverse 1 by root of sine alpha plus tan inverse root of sine alpha equal u. We know that tan inverse of A, tan inverse of B is tan inverse of tan inverse of 1 over sine alpha root plus root of sine alpha over 1 minus 1 over root of sine alpha into sine alpha. So the denominator becomes 0, means tan inverse of the denominator 0, numerator is root of sine alpha 1 plus root of sine alpha. If denominator is 0, it's infinity, so it is tan of infinity is pi by 2. Here, therefore, we have to u equal then we need cos 2u. This is u equal pi by 2. We need cos of 2u equal cos of 2 into pi by 2 equal cos pi. We know that cos pi equal to minus 1. Therefore, the option is minus 1. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.